Getting ready to go plant me some cabbage, some spinach, some romaine lettuce, some gourmet blend lettuce, and plant my mustard greens. These little pods have a lot of those little seeds. You see the little seeds? That's my mustard green. And this is my butter crunch lettuce seeds. I'm getting ready to go plant them in my garden for the fall. Okay, I amended my lettuce bed and I'm adding more, planting more seeds in it. Like this is my butter crunch seeds. Look at that. Look at those seeds. Look at all those seeds in there. Just rub the seed together and release all the little seeds all over the bed. These are my seeds I collected in the spring. Just rub the little pod together and release the seeds. I'm going to cover them up and then water them down. Now some lettuce that already started growing over here, that's some of that salad bowl lettuce, but I added some of the gourmet blend. I added some more of the gourmet blend over into this area. Now my butter crunch. Then I'm gonna add me some romaine lettuce in to these bags over here after I amend them. Getting my garden together for the fall. This is my salad bed area. Okay, I'm gonna do the same over here with this pot. Take the mustard green pods, just release the seeds, rub the seeds, the pod together, and you release the seeds. Get some more. All these little pods here. Just release them. So you just rub them together and all the little seeds just come out of it. Get some more. These little pods. Just rub them together and you're releasing the seeds into the container pot. I'm just going to cover them over and water them down a little bit and wait for them to grow. Okay, I got my green bed amended over here and got some of my collard greens already grown. They looking beautiful. I added a few more in the little spots that's missing some that didn't germinate. So hopefully some more germinate in these areas. Feel like I'm a hammer. good collard green growth for the fall. I planted me some mustard greens in both of these pots, and I amended my salad bed. So I got it ready, planted the seeds. Let's see how my beautiful lettuce is going to grow this fall. Okay, I have amended these 2 grow bags, and I'm going to plant some romaine lettuce seeds in both of them. I think I'm going to try to get about maybe 3 areas of seeds in both of them. So let's see how this romaine lettuce is going to grow for me. In these grow bags, you have to keep them watered real frequently because they kind of dry out. The water drains out of them fast, so you got to keep watering them. So let me get ready to plant these seeds. Okay, I have amended these 2 grow bags, and I'm going to plant some spinach seeds in them. It's that Bloomdale long-standing spinach. I think I'm going to put about 6 in each bag. Space them out about 2 inches apart. So let me get ready to plant these seeds and wait for them to grow. Spinach takes a long time sometimes to germinate, so I'm hoping these will give me a good germination and grow big and beautiful spinach. Okay, I have my eggplant still growing. I need to get to harvest that one soon. There's some blooms there. One gonna come out of that one. Okay, still see some more flowers going over here blooming. Some more eggplants gonna come. I got my carrots. Got carrots here. Okay, I amended my beds over here too. I'm gonna add me some more beans in here. I got cucumbers still growing. I don't know when my pineapple's gonna come up, but they just got all of this green stems coming up out of it. But my little pineapple hadn't grown yet. And I decided to just take up my grapevines and add something else in this bed. Because those grapes, after 2 years, I never did get any grapes to grow on it. All I got was a bunch of leaves, no grapes. I said I'll try something else in this bed. I got garlic growing in here. I got garlic growing over here. Got my lemons They still green. I'm waiting for them to turn yellow. I had harvested 2 of them yesterday. I still got my okra growing. Look at that. Oh, okay, okra. Still have okra. Look at that flower. Beautiful flower. Beautiful flower. Some more okra growing here. Come on, okra. Getting so tall. Another okra growing way up there. Okay. Okay, okra. I just need some more okra. I had a little tomato plant. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but it still has some green on it. Okay, I mended all my beds over here in my hoop house. I'm gonna plant some of my cabbage in both of these. I still have squash and zucchini growing here. My asparagus growing here. Still have some bell peppers. Have a tomato plant here. I think I'm gonna add some more cabbage in this front. I'll put my onions over in here. Then I gotta finish fixing up my little hoop house. Gotta add me some little bars to go across here to secure it a little more. Then I'm gonna add my plastic over it. And I think I'm gonna put me a little door right here too. So I'm gonna get it all together, so it'll be protected better for the winter. And I have some more garlic growing over here in these container pots. Okay, I see my carrots sprouting up. In fact, I see one look like it need to come on out. Let's see. I see a lot of smaller ones over there, but this one looks kind of big. Let me see how big it's gonna be. Take it around here and let you get some room to get out. Oh, boy. Gotta dig you out of here. It's coming up out the top. Showing yourself. Let's see how big you are. Push you out. Okay. You kind of hairy there. Got a lot of roots still on you. Okay. Let's see what the rest of them gonna do later. The first carrot harvest for the season. Have more to come. A lot of them look like they real small though. But we can still eat them. Hey, carrot. Okay, I have these two grow bags amended, and I'm getting ready to put some of my cabbage seeds in here. Going with the early golden acre cabbage. I think I'm gonna put I'll plant 4 areas in each one of these grow bags. And I think I'm gonna add one more over in this area here where the zucchini and squash are still growing. Okay, let me get ready to sow these seeds. Okay, I still have some bell peppers growing. And due to the cold nights that we have in here in Zone 9 in Louisiana, I decided to bring them in my back porch area. Didn't want to risk them being out there in the cold weather because they still growing good. You see all of my bell peppers. Can't wait to see you guys get bigger. Okay, bell peppers. Continue to grow. Continue to grow.